Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking to hire someone using Facebook? In this video, I will show you how to post a job on Facebook in 2025 step by step. Whether you are a small business owner or just need to fill a position, this method is completely free and easy. Let's get started. Facebook is a great place to post job because it's free. Unlike job boards that change fees, huge audience, over 3 billion users worldwide. Easy to apply. Applicants can apply directly from Facebook. Direct messaging. Chat with applicants in Messenger. Now let's go step by step how to post a job. First of all, make sure you have a Facebook business page because job postings are only available through pages, not personal profiles. Now go to your Facebook business page, log into Facebook and navigate to your business page. On the left sidebar, click Manage Job. Or go to Meta Business Suites, click on Create Job or Create Post to start your job listing. Now, in the text box, write job title, job type, location, salary, put it optional, it an optional, then job description. Including responsibilities, required skills, and experience. And finally, working hour. And benefits. Job title, be clear and concise, like social media manager, remote. Job type, choose full name, choose full-time, part-time, contract or internship. Location, add your business location or select remote if applicable. Salary, optional. Adding a salary range can attract better candidates. Job description. Write a clear description including responsibilities, uh, required skills and experience, working hours, and benefits. You can upload a custom job image or let Facebook use your cover photo. Then preview and publish. Double check all details, click post job or publish, and your listing will go live. Once your job is live, people can apply directly Facebook. Where to find applications? Go to your business page. Then click manage job. Uh, then check the job applications tab in Meta Business Suites. You will receive notifications when someone applies. How to contact applicants? Click on their profile and message them directly via Facebook Messenger. You can also download their resume if they uploaded one. Once you find a good fit, schedule an interview and move forward with hiring. Want more visibility? You can boost your job post for a small fee. Steps to boost your job post. Click boost post on your job listing. Select your budget and audience target by location, experience, or interests. Set the duration and payment details. Click boost now and let Facebook promote your job. This helps reach more job seekers faster, especially in competitive industries. And that's it. Now you know how to post a job on Facebook in 2025. Let me know in the comment. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who's hiring. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.